Hi, what is Res Ipsa Loquitur? Now, on May 22 of this year, I had posted a case scenario in image to diagnosis fetal medicine involving the orbits on sonography.in. The case was a case of microphthal mass, which was missed on anomaly scan. So this I posted on May 22nd, and not a single person has watched this video. In this lecture, I had dealt with this Res Ipsa Loquitur briefly. So when I was doing this video lecture, I thought I should do an elaborate discussion about this Res Ipsa Loquitur. So I made it, and I was supposed to post today, but then this came on 25th May of this year, a verdict from National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission on 25th May, and the order verdict was against the radiologist for missing a limb anomaly, and the order mentioned the principle of Res Ipsa Loquitur. So this happened as a coincidence. So I did a modified the lecture, and I am posting this. And Res Ipsa Loquitur is a doctrine in law which says the thing speaks for itself. The defendant's negligence may be presumed, and thus need not be proven. So this is the concept. This is the doctrine. And how does it concern us? So to look at how it involves us, the imaging specialists and fetal medicine specialists, if you wish to know that, please log into sonoshare.in and see the case scenario in image to diagnosis fetal medicine called Res Ipsa Loquitur. If you wish to go through the workup of this case scenario of fetal medicine, please log into www.sonoshare.in. Go to click on the categories to go to the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine. And when you click on the category, you will see the image to diagnosis fetal medicine. When you click on that, you will get the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine, and the various case scenarios will be seen one below the other, and click on whichever case scenario you want to see, and subscribe, and you can watch the case scenario. Thank you.